You're watching News Desk here on KTN News. Let's bring you some breaking news. President Uhuru Kenyatta has today reorganized government by reassigning principal secretaries from various state departments. 12 of them have been affected. I'll quickly run you through those affected, beginning with Mika Pawon, who has been PS Correctional Services. He has now been moved to devolution. Ambassador Peter Kaberia has been in the Ministry of Defense. He's now been reassigned to sports development. PS Mwanamaka Mabruki, who has been in devolution, is now Principal Secretary Gender Affairs. Zainab Hussein, who's been with Gender Affairs, has now been moved to Irrigation. Nicholas Muraguri, who has been the Principal Secretary Health, is now Principal Secretary the Ministry of Lands. Julius, Career, Industry and Enterprise is where he has been, as well as Development. He is the new PS in the Ministry of Health. Patrick Ndwati Mwangi has been with Irrigation. His new docket, Industry and Enterprise Development. Mariam El-Mawi has been PS Lands. She is now PS Public Works. Saitoti Torome, who has been Planning and Statistics PS, is now in the Defense Ministry. Also affected, Wilson Irungu Nyakera has been with the Transport Ministry. New orders and directives to be reporting in the Planning and Statistics Department, State Department, if you like. And then there's Dr. Paul Maringa Mwangi, who has been with Public Works. He's now been moved to the Ministry of Transport. And the final change is Ambassador Richard Ekai. Sports Development is where he's been serving, but now from today, henceforth, he's with Correctional Services. So 12 changes there, principal secretaries being reassigned in various state departments. That is news coming into us here on News Desk. You're watching News